Here I use the online editor. The first is the HTML, all the HTMLs will write, and the second will write the scripts, and third will write the style sheet, and fourth finally we can see the result. Okay, let's get started. First I'm writing the simple HTML structure so that I can manipulate easily by applying the style sheet. Okay, fine. So after that I just giving the device minus width so that it's act as a responsive design. Fine. So let's start with body. Inside the body I'm just creating the h1 tag. Now I'm just going to apply some styles using the selectors, basic selectors. So I'm just directly giving the tag name body tag. Just I'm giving the background so that we can easily visualize what is the result. Perfect. So I'm getting the white. Now I'm just given the body tag directly and applying the styles. Now I'm changing it to star. Let's see what is happening. Again I'm giving a background. I'm giving a white. Okay, so then also I'm getting the white background. So what is happening? So the difference between body tag and star. So star tag will apply for the entire document. Got it? So now we'll try with, we'll create a particular class name for the body tag. So class equal to my body. So this is how you can give the class attribute inside the HTML. Now we'll apply some styles to it by giving the class name. To indicate the class name, you need to put dot my body, then apply some background. We'll see whether it is working or not. Let me try with white smoke. Perfect. But I couldn't see any results here. So why? Let me change the color to red. Let's see that. But nothing is happening. So I'll remove the star. Okay, yeah, I got it. So what is happening here? Because star is applied to the entire document, so it's not allowing any other class name to change the background. So now I remove the star so that I can able to change the background color for the document, HTML document. Okay, now I'll try to give the h1 tag, background, I'll give green, yellow. Perfect. So that, okay, why it's not reflecting? Okay, I didn't give any text to it. So I'll try to give the text here. Okay, voila. So I got the background. I'm able to see that by using the h1 tag. I'm writing the tag. Now if I give star, now I can able to see the green color. Now I can't see the white color. So that is the difference between the basic selector star and by giving the class name. So now if I want to give the same class name to the h1 tag, is it possible? Yes, is it possible? By giving a class equal to, I can apply the same class name to the h1 tag also. That is a multiple times you can give. You can be the target of, you can give that. Perfect. So let me try with some different color so that I can easily identify this. Yeah, perfectly, it's working fine. So now let's change the color of this one. Let me try with, okay, let me remove this class. Instead of that, I can put id equal to my h1. Okay, so but that is not reflected because we didn't write any CSS for that. Now we are going to write it. So for id we have to give, like class, we have to give hash and the name of the id. So by giving that, we can easily access that particular element in the HTML. So now I can just give this color, pink color. Okay, fine, superb, it's working fine. So it's applied only for the h1 tag. Okay, if I want to remove this, then my body is already given white smoke, so that is applied, and for that particular id, that is h1 tag, takes that pink color. Okay, if I'm trying to duplicate that, then I'm changing the id because id is a unique one, so in the whole page you just give only one time. So I'm trying to add another CSS for that. Just try to give the another color, some other color. Background, this time I can give, okay, blue violet. Okay, so now you can able to understand what is a star, what is a class, and what is the element. By giving element, by directly giving the element body, you can give the body tag directly, you can write it, and by ID also you can give the selector. Now I'll just write the paragraph tag. Okay, simple paragraph tag, just I'm writing inside this. Okay, welcome to jQuery course. Okay, now if I'm trying to access this paragraph tag using either body tag or class tag, so directly I'm writing the tag name. Inside this I'm just writing the background. I'm just writing background as red. Okay, hola, that's, I'm getting it. Perfect. So different selectors are available. Either you can use star like this, you can write it. Okay, so background, you can give any background. Gray. So star is one of the selector, and dot my body is one of the selector, that is a class selector, and hash m1 is a ID selector. Okay, so like that you can create your own selectors to manipulate the DOM.